Hello everyone. In this video we will calculate working hours of an employee. If you have a fingerprint device which generate an Excel file, or you have written the time in and time out manually in Excel, so we will calculate now the working hours. So first of all, in this column we have time in this column time out. So let's write them. So first of all, select this area. After selecting it, change it to the time. Format should be time, and let's, for example, this came on 8 a.m. 9 a.m. and the second employee on 8 a.m. So let's copy now these and paste him for all of them. Okay, for other employees also. Let's write the time out. So to write the time out in PM, so for that we should write like 17. It should be 5 a.m. okay, PM. Okay, this is 5 p.m. and let's write 16. It is 4 p.m. Copy these and paste it for other employees. So now let's calculate the working hours of these employees. So let's write our function, mod function. We will use mod for that, equal to mod, open the parenthesis, then the number is this one. Okay, time out minus time in. After that we have a divisor which is used for the divide. Okay, this is a number for divide, so that is 1 with us. Close it and multiply it by 24. So let's press enter. So now let's change this column. Okay, let's select this column to general or number. Yeah, general. So 8 hours. So let's drag it for all of the employees. See it, all employee has worked 8 hours. So let's make it to the 9. For example, this is 9 with us. See, that has 7. 4 minus 9, it has become 7. But 5 minus 9, 8. And again 5 minus 9, 4 minus 8. So if I change it to 5 p.m. press enter, see, that has become 9 hours. So these are the working hours that we have calculated. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.